Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to VIVO S17. You need to begin by installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to set it up by clicking on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and Receive between Send and History on VIVO. When you're ready, go back to Oppo and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on VIVO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your VIVO's camera at the code. If you want to, you can also click on Input key section instead and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then to connect, tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!